Right, we also look at products from other manufacturers, and if we can make some sort of improvements, we will. With TS1s obviously being the staple dart for scooters for many, many years. Fantastic kit, great sell obviously for Ray, which is good. But what we're doing at the moment is we're looking at products that can be applied to other people's engines. Now we've seen that our piston can be used with success, piston from the SS225 with TS1. So what have we done? Decided we can use the piston in a TS1 kit, but we also need to do the head. We have to machine the head because the head profile is different. We took a TS1 225 piston and we calculated the head profile. Once we managed to do that, we then went away and we took our radial heads. Now these are the radial heads which we've been selling for a while now. These are fantastic seller, great heat dissipation qualities, really, really good. Now we do these for the SS225 kits in two versions. One's got central plug and the other one's got this standard offset plug. Now what we've done is we've done two versions that can be applied, and obviously you decide which one you want, and they are designed for the TS1 piston crown, standard one. Because we know that our piston is a better piston, which is this piston here, this is the latest piston for the SS225 and the TS1 with our head, has a completely different profile on the top compared to the original. So basically what we've done is we've then decided, we've done a special version of this head with an offset plug, so it will go onto any cowling or any TS1 as a straight replacement. Now with this piston, so you could kit with a piston and a head. The biggest problem we've had in the past, back to the old days of Taspeed, was when they used to put in rollers from a small end bearing broken down. They would put two in to locate the head centrally. And what we've done is we've basically recessed two of the holes. They then take these bushes which fit down into there, and then you would take your TS1 barrel and just slightly recess by a few mil here, but all this will be explained with the instructions. The two bushes then go into there, they fit down into there, and then correspondingly then we put these on here, and that locks into place, and then you know then the inside is perfectly central. I haven't tightened this down obviously, but that is to give you an idea of what can be done. So therefore you've got the location, you've got a head with much better heat dissipation qualities. It's a plug and play replacement. The only thing you need to do is slightly recess two of the stud holes, and that's it. Right, the price for the component side, if you want just the piston, okay, as a straight replacement, then that's £114. If you want the kit, which consists of the radial head with the bushes and the complete piston kit, that comes in at £220 as a straight plug and play part.
And are they available now, everything?
Yep, available now, in-house, in stock.